Hey guys, this is how to clear your system storage in your Android phone. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your settings of your phone. And here in your settings, you have to just open your apps or the apps management and then click on the app settings. And here you just need to uninstall the unnecessary apps from your Android phone. Like you have to just click on the app that you want to uninstall and then click on the force stop first and then click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache first and then click on the clear storage. Once you're done, you just need to uninstall your apps that are unnecessary in your Android phone. Repeat this process for all of the unnecessary applications in your Android phone. So right after that, you just need to open your files manager, and here in the downloaded folder you just need to uninstall or delete the unnecessary downloaded files and the folders from here. So once you're done, you just need to again open your phone settings, and now you have to just click on the system, click on the system update, click on the online update, then continue, and then click on check for update. So basically you just need to update your system to the latest version. Right after that, you will be able to clear your data or storage from your system. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.